Hey, I'm Sierra Lancaster.
My name's Christian Kamarowski.
My name is Jared Schrader.
I'm co-owner of Era Auto.
I own Kamarowski's Auto Detailing.
The name of my shop is J-Rod's Tidy Car.
This was definitely a more informative class.
Way more helpful than any YouTube video I've seen.
A little bit more advanced than a beginner class.
I still learned a lot.
Being able to use different machines, free spinning, dual action, force rotation, different pad combos.
Everything was hands-on.
Having a test bench like this truck behind us, some test hoods.
A lot of hands-on experience, coaching through it.
When I first came in, I didn't understand the new technology, how ceramic coats actually work.
They definitely did a good job of getting people who aren't as comfortable with that to be more comfortable.
We got to learn the science behind it and got to learn how to apply it correctly.
Knowing that there is a formulator in the house, the man that makes the chemicals is the guy that answers the question.
And the guys from 48 Detailing, they were always there to answer questions whenever Jim or Chris or Christian, the other guy in the shop, couldn't help out.
Being able to have time to ask questions, getting to test all the products.
Getting to use a lot of the interior products.
The NSPs and the Z1.
Nano Resin Pro. Being able to use that and get comfortable with that is definitely a game changer.
All the products I wanted to try out, we got access to them, and it was a lot of fun.
I'm gonna definitely revamp a few of my processes.
The business aspect, margins, how much it's gonna cost you per car.
How we manage customers' expectations.
Little things that'll save me 10 minutes, 15 minutes here.
Right now I'm mobile, but in August I'll actually have a physical location. So this way I know the number that I need to meet to succeed in what I want.
Those are immediate savings that I don't have to invest money in.
I'm definitely going to be out with the old and with the new.
I enjoyed the different people in this class.
Being here with other detailers.
There were a lot of laughs, a lot of jokes cracked.
It's really nice to get connected with other individuals.
Definitely a fun time here in Chicago.
Regardless if you think you know everything or you don't think that maybe this class is for you, give it a shot.
Overall, just excellent experience here.
I hope that there's another one real soon and that more people try it out.
It was awesome. Come take it. It was worth it.